Well, here we go. Another adventure on the little green boat. First time I've used it this year, the green boat, so really super excited to get it off the trailer. Always a mission, getting the boat in the water, first time of the year. Boat was absolutely full of water, it was. But anyways, done it now, it's off the trailer. Got me a little 4 horsepower Yamaha outboard on the back of it. It's enough to power this little cabin boat. Towing behind my little inflatable. Got 3 rods, I probably only used 2 rods on the boat. Flow's still strong. We've had unbelievable amounts of rain. The river's been in flood 2 months. I won't be able to hold the far side. You know, it looks calm there, but it's a lot stronger. I could put 12 ounces on the far side and it wouldn't hold. It just trundle away. So I'm going to be fishing close to the boat, which I like to do anyway. So yeah, let's get on the river. Let's get on that little boat. And let's get out there. Let's try and find some carp. Love it. Let's try and catch one. And we're off. We're off. Yeah, love it. You know what, it's my favourite type of fishing, this, being on a little boat, out on the river, searching a carp down. Can't beat it in my eyes. Right, spots I want to find. Obviously I want to find a carp. More isolation, the better. I don't want to see anyone, I don't want to talk to anybody. I just want to do a bit of fishing. Yeah, see the skies, very overcast. The skies are a bit moody. Beautiful river though. So I'm going against the flow, so the engine's got to work a bit harder. The flow is strong. But yeah, I'm getting there, no problem. Take it nice and easy. I'm still looking at this margin, trying to find somewhere to tie myself up to. Do you like it around here? Well, I've gone opposite that lovely margin. I thought it was deemed it too snaggy. So obviously some kind of old platform here in the past. I'm going to tie myself up to this, I am. Strong enough, I hope so. Not keen on that. That's one secure. Well, this is when you've got to be careful. You don't want to be falling in. all tied up to those couple of stakes. See how much movement we get, hopefully not too much. I'm loving that margin down there. Did want to fish the other side, but I'll see. I might go there tomorrow. I'll see how I get on here. I think I've got a better chance of landing fish here. Well, just got two rigs tied up. I'm going to put them out there. I'm hoping I'm just going to swing them off the boat, but I'm going to have a look around my little boat first. See if I can see any snags or anything. See what type of depth we got. I've got a good idea what depth we got. I think just on the edge of the boat, but got about 15 foot of water, so it's ideal really, this margin. Rigs, I mean, bog standard, big size 1/0 hook. That's a 24mm hard bottom bait and 20mm pop up. Works a treat that. Combi link, all real powerful stuff. I think it's £45 stiff section, it's £50 braid for the supple section. Works a treat. Got the old £60 mono leaders on. It's 0.7mm. I do love 0.7mm. That's my preferred diameter for the shot leader. That onto £45 braid. Works a treat. I might, I'm going to see what's down that margin. I might put a bottle on and we'll have a look. Beautiful evening. Right, let's go and find some spots. I'm only fishing close in, but because of the flow I'm still going to use my big 10-ounce leads. If I can find a spot real close in, hopefully I can just flick a lead out to it. But this is a tricky spot. You've always got to be mega careful getting from one little boat to another little boat. I never take anything for granted. Always got to be ultra careful. Maize. Lovely. It's only a little boat, just inflatable. I think it's just over 2 meters, so it's pretty compact. The sound I see on the side of the boat, when we make that out, it's 10 foot, or 11 foot it is. So yeah, I don't think I've got no need to go out in a boat really. I'm just gonna have a look round. Let's just have a look. I love this, just being tucked into the trees. Brilliant. Pure isolation it is. And because it's a small boat, you just feel in touch with your surroundings. You can hear absolutely everything on the water. But obviously the fish can hear you as well, so I am really quiet when I'm on the little boat. Right, let's find some spots. I'm going to drop, see my little boat there? I'm going to drop my first rig just there in 24 foot of water. On the sounder, it's absolutely heaving with small fish, which I always think is a good sign. If there's lots of small fish about, I always think the big fish are going to be comfortable there as well. It's quite soft, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it there. That's enough to get a bite, that. That's enough to get a bite. Yeah, that's 2 rods out. I'm happy. Fishing. Putting on the buzzers now, but yeah. Rover's got one down to my right, 24 foot of water, and I've got this one just directly in front of close in the boat, but a little bit shallower. See how we get on. I do want to put one across that far side this evening when the flow drops. Yes, great. Now rods are out now. I've got 2 out. Hopefully I'll put another 3rd out this evening. I'm happy with those 2. And you can't beat this. First cup of tea, now the rods are out. I'm going to have a tin of rice pudding with a bit of jam in it. Good old hearty food. You know what, look at that. It's a miracle as well. My leek's dried up. Probably a bit of crud in a hole or something blocking it up. Yes, come on, let's catch one. Ah, you gotta love that. Do love fishing from a little small boat. And yeah, rods are out now. Got a brew, just had a bit of rice pudding. All's well in the world. You have to see one of those rod tips just bend over. Oh, yeah, when you're in a boat, you can just feel everything around you. When I say everything, like, because I'm on the river, I can tell by the pressure on the boat whether the flow is increasing or decreasing. It's actually decreasing at the moment, so I'm hoping to put a rod on that far side tonight. Yes, come on. Yeah, I'm just sat here chilling out. And the big old spiders come to see me. Got plenty of animals living in this boat. Oi, oi. Don't be going over my food, you. Go and eat some ants. Go and trap those ants. Well, I'm going to have a change about. These two rods are fished at similar depths. It's only like, I forget, one was at 26 and one's about 24, 23 foot. So I'm going to put a rod on a bottle, on my bottle float, down this margin. It is a bit snaggy down there, but I'm hoping my bottle will be able to help me land the fish. I've rigged it up. This is my old bottle rig. Because the line's going direct to the float, I do like to use a longer than normal hook link for this. This one's about 16 inches. Real brutish gear. We've got a size 1 hook, 24mm bottom bait, 20mm pop up. I'm using, that's 55-pound hook link. It's about 16 inches of it. The bottle, if you can make it out, I've got a swivel attached to the lid of the bottle, so the bottle can move around without twisting the line. A little bead above it. I'm fishing in about 12 foot of water, so my stop knot is set at about 14 foot, so I'm 2 foot over depth. And this is a good bit. I'm fishing a watch lead, 10 or 12 ounce watch lead on a running ring with a paper clip. So if I get a pick up and it hits a snag, the paper clip's just going to bend out real easy. But what it does, if I was fishing that lead on a normal lead clip, I get a pick up and sometimes all you'd see is the bottle just skipping on the surface of the water and the fish will still find a snag. But if you use a running lead and the lead's big enough, the carp has no choice but to pull the bottle underneath the water. So you get the pick up, that big 10 or 12 ounce lead stays put. You're on a run ring, it pulls the bottle underneath the surface, and because it's a big bottle, that's a 1 litre milk bottle, it just disorientates the carp and it tires them out real quick as well. And you know what, it works a treat, it does. Got my normal leader on, that's 60-pound mono leader, got about 20 foot of it. That's my stop knot on my line there, just elastic band tied to a granny knot, 45-pound braid. Works absolute treat, it does. We're going to get a bite, I hope so. Well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning now. Stunning morning it is as well too. Birds and the frogs are well active today. Absolutely nothing to report last night. It has surprised me, to be honest. I think one of them will rattle off, still plenty of time though. Nothing that happened by about 9:30. Get that morning feeding spell out the way, I'm going to move. Oh, I've got an occurrence on that rod there. So I have a line bite or I've got a bream on. Thought it was going to go then. Oh, I think it's a bream, look at that. Bream. Nightmare. Let me get my tea out. I finished my cup of tea. Done my stewed tea for the bream. Oh no, it could be a carp. Oh no, that's a carp. Yeah, it's gone down the edge. Damn. Oh. Not in those trees. I thought it was a bream. Oh, it's going down the edge. No. Over. Oh, see how it's on the trees over there? No, don't find the trees. No. Keep it moving. Oh, it's found him. Damn.
is a rat. I'll try and get out on the boat and land that. Nightmare. I don't know. Might struggle with this. Fish is still on, but it's right in a tree. Can I land it? That's the thing. I might be able to land this, you know. Get out that tree. Oh, get out. That's a big fish, that. That's a nice fish. I'm going to land it. I'm going to land it. I know I am. It's tangled on my rod now. Yes! Go on, you lad. Oh, God. Nothing comes easy on rivers, I tell you. Absolutely nothing. And now it's going around the other line. Oh, damn. Oh, still got plenty of fight left in this. Oh, wow. Oh, what a morning wake up call that is. Just making a brew. Just gone 6 o'clock in the morning. I've got a big mirror on. Took me in a snag at first, I managed to get it out. Awesome, absolutely awesome. This is about, got this one in about 24 foot of water. That is a nice fish. It's a big old fish that for a river. Oh, it's got some belly on that. Go on, get in that net. Oh, look at that for a lump. Oh, that's some fish that. Gee whiz, look at the belly on that. Woohoo! Oh yes. Oh yes, 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 yes. Whew. That took some landing that. I hope you see all that on the GoPro then, but God, that was a bit of a rush that. It's in the net and it's a donkey old mirror that. That is a big wide, big belly on that. Love it. What a morning. Check out this for a river lump. Oh, that is some fish for a river that. Look, it's carrying a bit of spawn, I think, that one. Oh, it's going to be heavy, that thing.
Yes, well, how's this for a fish, a river fish? 48 pounds, just over 48 pound of river mirror. It's obviously carrying a little bit of spawn, but it's a beast of a fish. What a battle as well, out and about. Got it out the snag. Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at you. Oh, yes. Woo, what a fish that is. Oh, so unusual for a river that. Usually long, lean commons. This is the complete opposite. It's a big fat mirror. Love it. What a wake-up call that is. About 6:30 this morning. And off it went. Rodding 24 foot of water. That is the beauty. I'm going to put him back. Oh, yes. Right. Back you go. Let's put that big mirror back. Oh, it's a chunk. Go on, swim back to your home. Swim back to your home. There she goes. And just like that, it's gone. Yeah, can't tell you how happy with that. Well, what a stunning morning. You know what a stunning mirror that was. And you know what, I'm going to call it a day now. What a way to finish the trip. I'm going to yeah, I'm going to wind the rods in, go back to base, but awesome battle out and about that. Love fishing from these little cabin boats. Yeah, it's one of my favourite ways to fish. Love it. To the next adventure.